Okay, another Dungeness crab adventure. We got a new crew going out of Bodega Bay. We got a little rougher seas, so let's see how this goes. Okay.
So what am I throwing? That or the right line?
Throwing the buoy.
You're throwing the buoy.
Throwing the buoy. Somehow.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
Now, where do you want it?
As far
Just
off
in-
to the
in-
boat as you can get it.
Yeah, give him some slack
So,
and then
we're working on that.
Now?
throw it. Oh, and Dave fell in when he threw it. I cannot believe that.
Perfect. It's not in the prop, so.
That's always a good sign.
Oh, man, I tell you.
Good one so far. Oh man, miracle.
So what's your depth there?
We are at 91 feet.
So get out of this depth.
We have 150 feet of line, so we can theoretically go to 115 if we get all of our line out.
Yeah.
This might be an issue.
Try to drop it as flat as you can.
Yep. Sorry, Dave.
We'd done well in the 90 to 100 foot range last trip, so we were going to give that a try again, and hopefully the crabs are still around. Beautiful day on the water, although it was a little bit bumpy, especially in the morning. Had about maybe 6 foot swells sometimes. Not too bad, not light winds, so I was pretty happy about that. Had the some of the crew were familiar with what the process was, Bill Westfall, but we had the Ancient Mariner, Dave Salter from England, and my sister Nani along on this trip, so anything could happen.
I want to hear a whine. I want to hear a groan. Something like that. Continuous.
Go to starboard. Go to starboard.
Certainly weren't getting the numbers that we did the last trip, so we kind of changed some location and see if we could find a little bit larger grouping.
You've got to pull, Gus. Be careful. Hold on.
You got to go way port. Give it gas. Okay. Okay, straighten it out.
Straight.
That's better. That's better.
Oh, my. Yeah, okay, that's more like anything.
We went down into the 60 to 80 foot range and started to put a dent in it. We were getting some quality crab. Not as many as in the previous trips, but it's been fished quite a bit, so that was kind of expected.
There we are.
That's going to be small. Let's find that. That's going to be a keeper.
Come around a bit, Gus, to starboard.
Okay.
How many that time?
Well, that was 16 all told.
Just take us forward a bit, Gus.
Okay.
Sit. Now to starboard. Okay, no more, no more.
No,
That's it.
stop. Port.
No, port.
Port.
That's good, that's good.
Boy, make up your mind.
Well, we're changing them again.
Whoa. Take it forward, Gus.
Forward.
Forward. Okay, do whatever Dave says from here on out.
Oh
my God, that
look at-
worked.
There's some right there. Well, there's a couple of nice ones. That's good.
Love you.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dave.
Well, this was the technique. This time we used fish parts, some trout heads and bodies and whatnot. And we're going with the cat food, wet cat food can, opened up too for providing some scent. Seems to be working pretty good for us. Well, we finally got limits, but it certainly took some time and effort this trip. Have to try another spot next time, I think. Getting pretty thin out there, but got enough to get home and see if we can prepare something special for the holidays. And that something special this time is going to be crab cakes and Crab Louie. So in order to get that underway, once we got home, got together with some friends and did some crab cracking and then cracked a couple jokes while we were at it.
Oh, it's a crab.
You know the one about the wagon train going across the Midwest or the West?
Is this a joke?
And so the wagon master's out, and then he's taking all the wagons through. He's going along, and they come to this little brow of a hill there. It's a big rock, and there's this little old Hasidic Jew sitting there. And the wagon master goes up and says, "How you doing, old timer?" And he says, "Oh, it's bad, real bad." "Why?" He said, "We can't go on. Can't go on." He said, "You mustn't go any further." "Why is that?" He said, "There's a bacon bush." So the wagon master goes, "A bacon bush?" He said, "A bacon bush." So anyway, the wagon driver goes, "Oh, this guy's crazy." So off they go. And about an hour afterwards, the wagon master comes back, arrows in him, arrows in the horse. "Oh, we've all been wiped out." So the little old Hasidic Jew goes, "Oh, Gevelt, my English, I meant a hambush."
Ambush.
Well, here's our recipe. So we got everything prepped up. We had some great cooks. Fortunately, I wasn't involved in the cooking, so it turned out very nicely. And put it in the oven. Get ready to celebrate with some friends. All right, this is after all the crabbing.
Crab Louie salad.
Still alive.
Yes, crab
Still
in the
alive.
salad.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Alive, still alive. Even barely.
There we go. Crabbing alive, crabbing alive. Well, I'm hoping everyone's holidays were as happy and plentiful as ours, and you had a chance to spend some quality time with some of the people that you love and enjoy all the blessings that are around us. Tight lines.